Uma muthenya wa mwisho kuri makiria ya aruto 800,000 a kirathi gia form 4 thutha wa kurekereria kigeranio gia KCSE kiria gikoretwo gigithie na mbere kwa ihinda ria ciumia ithatu. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Precious Blood Riruta kuria atiriheire Mihang'o ya kigeranio giki, Minister wa githomo George Magoha augite Mihang'o ya kumark kigeranio giki ni rathie na mbere, maumirira magitanywo na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka.
The exercise of marking the exam has already started and shall be completed well ahead of the calendar, which, as you know, is before the end of this month.
Thegia ya igeria ria maabitha ngurani gukungia wara hindi ya igeranio ici, Magoha ni atitirithitie ati gutire kigeranio o giothe kirakinyeire arutwo mbere ya ihinda riria riagiriire.
There was no breach of examination packages whatsoever in any part of the country. And you can take that to the bank as you continue to discuss your theories of examination leaking.
Ona kuhanora uguo akiuga andu 50 ari hamwe na maabitha akurugamirira igeranio ici ni maraikirio ngono thutha wa kunyitikana makigeria kuiyira igeranio. Riri andu angi 4 nao maikitio ngono makigeria gwikira arutwo angi igeranio, na oho makiria ya thimu 300 ikinyitikana hindi ya igeranio ici.
Cooperate with that of the judiciary to ensure speedy conclusion of all examination related cases, to ensure that justice is done. We hope that suspects will face the full force of the law to deter those who intend to attempt to engage in examination irregularities in the future.
Akiaria ciĩgiĩ aruto aria maraingira kirathi gia form 1, Magoha augite gutire muruto te kuheo mweke, akiuria aciari kuyukia thukuru iria aruto mekuheo mieke.
I have said without water in my mouth that I will look at the map of this country and ensure that a child in Samburu, if the first child in Samburu has 370 marks, I will take that child to the top school without blinking. That's what a national school is meant to be.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Gitinagumirwo wa Wadurwa.